at Animal Kingdom today, and we are going to go see if we can get on some rides, get a little bit of food, and have a great day. So let's go on in. We made it! We're going in. Still my favorite park icon. It's beautiful. We're in line for Flight of Passage. It's posted 45, but we're really cruising, and I started a stopwatch as soon as I got in line, so I'll update you with accurate time. But we're cruising, so yeah. It's far away now.
Yeah, it's different when you get to be right up against them. Oh, we are almost right now.
Legs are strong, but dry. See me?
Yes. Yeah.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we...
Let me take a quick peek at that.
Okay.
Look how cute these are. $28.17. What a random price. Those are very cute. Oh, those are super cute. And they light up. That's fun. Lemur butt. I turned on the camera and I got lemur booty. Oh, there we go. Thanks for turning around a little bit. You have the ring-tailed and the brown collared. They're so cute. They're just hanging out.
Like their cousins. They look so different.
Hey, buddy. Violet and Veruca.
Which one is that?
Sitting in a tree. What?
Can you tell?
No, I don't know which one's which. I can't tell from this far. My bad eyes.
Don't say that.
Ugh,
They're only gonna get worse.
I know.
There's one and there's the other.
I love watching them swing though.
Monkeys have a tail, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's not a monkey.
Correct.
It's just that they are so fascinating to me.
In line for Everest now. It's posted 30. I've got my timer set. It did end up being, we were in line and off a flight in 47, and it was posted at 45, so I'll do the same.
And they said that Flight of Passage is a 4.5 minute ride.
Yeah, I think it's worth it. It's fantastic.
Oh my gosh, I think it's the best ride.
And then after this, we saw there is the ice cream truck in Anandapur is selling a strawberry soft serve with Valentine sprinkles.
I'm ready for
So
ice.
we're gonna be grabbing that. So exciting. Minutes later, truck is coming in for us to board. It was posted 30-minute wait. We're going to be on in 15. So that's awesome. Yay!
I got a swirl and I'll get you that one.
I will let you know.
You actually have Heineken? Okay.
So they like topped it over, so I guess once it started melting, it was all contained, but I'm gonna see if I can flip it over and eat it. It smells good, it's super cute. We found this like tiny little nook over here to eat. Mama's got her swirl. She's content. Yay! Alright guys, that was our day at Animal Kingdom. I cannot believe we got on Flight of Passage and Everest. Flight of Passage, we did end up waiting 45 minutes, but Everest we were on in 15, so it was really awesome. Definitely the surprise for me was the strawberry swirl cone with the Valentine sprinkles. I loved that. We did try to go through some of the shops towards the end, but there wasn't anything new.
No new merchandise.
So no new merch for this video, but regardless, I hope you enjoyed spending a couple of hours with us in the parks. Since we live here, we really don't do full park days anymore.
It's perfect weather today.
Yeah, it's so beautiful out, and we got to do 2 rides, and it was great. So if you enjoyed, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!